All right, so to start, you always click the Schoology icon. When you click Courses, you should see the Summer ESOL course here. Here is our page for learning. And the Google Meet nickname is right here. Now, I'm going to show you what I mean when I say tabs or exiting out of Google Meet. Every day we will meet here in Google Meet. There will be some days where I ask you to leave or hang up the call so you can do Imagine Language and Literacy or InForcabulary or ExactPath. What that means is in this call, you will click this button to hang up, and then you're going to click this tab to start your Imagine Learning Language and Literacy. Now mine will look a little different, but it will log you in and you will take a test first. So this looks a little bit different. But when you are done your lessons, you will click back to this tab. You can click either Rejoin and click Join Now. And then you are back.